Hello everyone, you all are welcome to the first video of free Cisco networking practice labs. If you are a beginner to the networking, this video series will help you to get a thorough understanding in the networking simulation and basic network designs. So I suggest you to do this yourself and practice every day. Okay, let's start. In this first video, let's have a brief understanding on the Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the most famous network simulation software developed by Cisco. So you can easily download this from internet and install in your laptop. Once you have installed Cisco Packet Tracer in your laptop or the PC, you will see a window like this one. At the top of this window, you will see a menu bar with File, Edit, Options, Views, Extensions window, and Help. If you go to the help menu and go to about, there you can see the version details of Cisco Packet Tracer. Here I am using the version of 8.2. And below the menu bar you can see few of the menu bar options like new simulation environment, often already saved one, save this and print, and lot of other menu bar options. And below the menu bar options, you have few tools like select, inspect, delete, resize, and so on. So when we are doing the simulation, we can see how we can use all these tools and other menu bar options. Okay, if you go down to the left bottom corner, you can see the network devices. Here it will pop up network devices. If you click on the network devices, in the bottom of that network devices, you can see the routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, security devices, and WAN emulation devices. If you click on the routers, it will open all the available routers. See here. If you click on the switches, it will show all the available switches. And if you click on the hubs, it will show the available hubs and so on. So if you click on wireless devices, it will show all the available wireless devices here. And also then you can click on the end devices. If you click on the end devices, it will pop up the end devices like PCs, laptops, servers, and all other end devices, IP phones, voice over IP phones, TVs, tablets, and etc. So and also you can do the home emulation with IoT and smart city emulations and industrial emulations and power grid emulation. So these are pretty cool tools you can use and do all the IoT configurations. And especially we always need these connections like uh, you can see there are console cables and copper straight through cables, crossover cables, and fiber cables, and all the other cables are here. Okay, in this video, let's see how you can add a PC to the simulation environment and add an IP address to that PC. First, go to the end devices and click on the end devices. Then it will pop up the available end devices on your simulation environment. Now you can see there are PC, laptop, server kind of end devices. First, let's click on the PC and go to the. You can see that it is selected. Now go to the simulation environment and drop it on there. Okay. Now you can do anything with this PC. Just click on it and it will pop up this window. There are a lot of tabs like physical, config, desktop, programming, attributes. Today we will not focus on these tabs, but let's focus on this desktop tab. For here you can see there are a lot of applications that you are having in a real PC. So for today, let's add an IP address to this PC using this IP configuration box. Click on there. You have interface is selected is fast Ethernet 0. That is the interface of this IP, interface of this PC. and you can load the IP configuration from DHCP. If you click on this radio button, it will load the IP from a DHCP server. But for today, I will add this simple static IP address. And below this IP configuration, you can see the IPv6 configuration is also there. Let's focus on them later on a later video. But today, I will add the simple IPv4 address. So click on the IPv4 address. I will add 1.1. Okay, 192.168.1.1 and go to the subnet mask. You can see the full length subnet mask is automatically loaded. But if you want, you can manually add that one too. Delete this. Okay. Today I'm not gonna add the default gateway and the DHCP server. I just wanted to add the IPv4 address. So you are done with that. You can close this, and if you click back on the IP configuration, it will stay unchanged. And if you want to verify further, you can go to this command prompt, and it's like your CMD in Windows. You can enter the command ipconfig. See, it will show you the IP configuration of this PC. Okay, that's all about this video. Hope you have learned something from this, and stay with this video series. You will gain a lot of knowledge about Cisco networking, network simulation, network automation, and so and so. Thank you very much.